Welcome to my honest review of Vanguard's brokerage platform, where I'll break down everything you need to know, whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor. Vanguard is well known for its long history and reliable reputation. But is it the best brokerage option for you? Let's explore. First, let's talk about what Vanguard offers. Vanguard is popular for its low-cost index funds, ETFs, and mutual funds, but as a brokerage, it allows you to trade a variety of assets, including individual stocks and bonds. Vanguard is designed for investors focused on long-term, low-cost investing. It offers a broad range of funds and comprehensive tools for portfolio management, retirement planning, and more. One of the major advantages of Vanguard is its focus on keeping fees low. With no commissions on most trades and some of the lowest expense ratios in the market, it's perfect for those looking to build wealth steadily over time without high costs cutting into their returns. That said, one downside is the lack of more sophisticated trading tools, which might disappoint advanced traders who need real-time market analysis or advanced charting tools. Vanguard's customer service is strong, but it can sometimes feel slow, especially during high-volume trading periods. There's also a minimum investment requirement for certain funds, which may not appeal to smaller investors. Now, are you tired of the ups and downs of trading and constantly analyzing market trends? PrimeXBT offers a seamless solution. Copy the trades of experienced, successful traders and replicate their strategies automatically. With PrimeXBT, you can step up your trading game without all the hassle. Just register, make a deposit, and start copying winning trades today. As for Vanguard's costs, it excels in offering low-cost index funds, but you should be aware of its minimum investment requirements for mutual funds, typically ranging from $1,000 to $3,000. They also offer a wide variety of account types, including retirement accounts like IRAs and taxable brokerage accounts, which make it an all-encompassing platform for long-term investors. While Vanguard's platform is user-friendly and easy to navigate, some users might find it a bit dated compared to more modern brokerage apps, and the lack of real-time data updates can be a limitation for more active traders. Overall, Vanguard is best suited for passive investors or those who want a hands-off approach to long-term growth. If you're considering starting your investment journey or looking to switch to a more cost-effective platform, Vanguard is certainly worth a look. For serious long-term investors, it's hard to beat the value it offers. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up if you found this review helpful.